There's Bandito. There's Miss Daisy. Daisy, what you doing, Daisy? Okay. Kirby, will you stifle yourself? Miss Daisy, how are you today? This fine, cold winter day. What'd you say, Droopy? Droopy. Droopy. I want to get him going up the steps. Come on, let's go. I don't know if it's still recording or not.